Okay, so hello guys. Today we are talk about the MongoDB and where we are use the MongoDB. So basically, in MongoDB we are using a backend on when we are creating the database and table and row and column. Okay, so when we are working on the uh, front end in fast or in these days, we are using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Mostly, we are using the React and Angular in these days. It's a trending technology, and then we are using the backend like PHP and Node.js and Python and Java. In PHP, we are using the your SQL, and Node.js we are using the your JavaScript. So this is your whole backend. And when you talk about in your the MongoDB, so we have to understand first what is the SQL and MySQL and NoSQL, because MongoDB is based on the NoSQL. Okay, so we like in SQL, RDMS is a relational database management system and work on a relational database. Okay, and in NoSQL, it's a non-relational database and document-oriented database management system and work on the document-based database. In SQL, it stores data in a form of entity as a table, and in NoSQL, MongoDB stores data in form of documents. Okay, it uses SQL to query database, and in NoSQL, MongoDB uses MobDSON to query database. Okay, now like when we are work on the SQL, we are using table, row, column. So simple, you understand this. Your collection is a table, and document is a row, and field is a your column. So basically, some things are replaced to SQL. So the things are same, but simple name are changed. So collection is your table, and document is your row, and field is your column. So basically, you have to understand like this. This is the whole object on JSON. JSON, okay. And this is the collection. Collection is like a table, and this is your document. This is a row, and field. Field it's like a column, like a title is a column, DSON, and published date is a column, author is a column. So these are the column. Okay, you can say that the field in NoSQL if you talk about. Okay, and in SQL you already know that this is the table and row and column. Okay. So in coming video we try to create a database and make a collection, document, and field. We are work on the okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.